Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. I'm going to be talking about all things apartment finally. If you guys are new here, my name's Taylor. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow me on my other social media channels. If you didn't know, I moved to South Florida around 3 or 4 months ago, which is so crazy. It feels like I've been here for like a year, but at the same time, it feels like I just moved here yesterday. But now that I am pretty much settled in, I mean, I'm still looking for like cute little home decor pieces. I wanted to talk about my apartment essentials. This is my first apartment, so a lot of this stuff I had to purchase for the first time, and I felt like this was the perfect video for somebody who is maybe just moving out on their own, or you want to look for some extra like organizational must-have pieces for your place too. All right, let's get started. First thing I want to talk about is organization, and if you know me, you know that I am a huge fan of organization. I love things that have structure and have purpose. One of the first things that I purchased for my apartment was this under the sink organization. I have one underneath my kitchen sink and one underneath my bathroom sink. These are awesome and I feel like they're very reasonably priced on Amazon. There's 2 tiers to it, which I love because it makes me have more space on the other side of my sink, and it comes with dividers, which is great because if you're trying to make things even more organized, you can separate your things. I have it underneath my kitchen sink, separating my sponges. Another thing that I can't live without that is actually in my bathroom right now is my drawer storage. So I have this both in my bathroom and my guest bathroom just to like separate things so not everything is just thrown into a drawer. I don't have a vanity yet for my bedroom. I do want to purchase one, but as of right now I am getting ready in my bathroom, so all my skincare and all my makeup and everything that you can think of is pretty much in my bathroom. These are awesome to separate your makeup from your skincare, your toothpaste, etc. Another thing I have in my bathroom, but I also have it like all throughout my house, are baskets. I am slowly realizing I have an obsession with baskets. Every time I see a cute basket, I'm like, oh, I could use that. They're kind of everywhere. They're awesome. I mean, you can put blankets in them, towels, accessories, whatever you can think of. It just makes it look like a cuter organization moment. Okay, one thing that my mom got me hooked on are command strips. I mean, command strips are absolutely amazing. I use these at my old house to like hang paintings, hang my vision board, hang my whiteboard. They're awesome because they don't ruin your wall, and especially if you're in an apartment and you're renting, you don't want to be putting holes in the wall. Command strips are awesome, and I actually got these ones for my closet that holds like my mop, my Swiffer, hangs from the wall. It gives you more space, especially because in a lot of apartments you don't have a lot of places to put things, so these are awesome. Okay, before I go into my kitchen section of this video, I wanted to quickly talk about just like miscellaneous, and the first thing being my vacuum. You guys, vacuuming was my least favorite chore growing up. I hated vacuuming, but I love vacuuming, especially because I love my vacuum. I got this Shark vacuum from Costco. I don't know if they still carry it there, but I will leave the link to it in the description below. This thing is awesome. It comes with a bunch of different attachments, so I can vacuum my couch. I can get like the molding. There's like dust on my molding, and it comes with this little nozzle. It's outstanding, and it's so lightweight. It's so easy to clean and take out the hair. I love this thing. I work from home, so obviously one of the things I need in my apartment is a desk. If you don't already have a standing desk, I highly recommend it. I love mine. It is so easy to clean and it fits perfectly in my space. If your apartment or your place has a patio, I definitely recommend getting some type of patio furniture. I'm pretty sure I found mine at Target when they were on sale, so I got it for a really good deal. It's also great for when you have guests over. You guys can sit outside, have a little cocktail. This next thing is a more recent purchase, and that is my Philips Hue standing light. This is an investment, but I am so happy that I bit the bullet and ended up purchasing it. It just makes my whole living space a vibe. I actually saw, I think Taryn Lamb, I think that's who posted about it. You can change it at different colors. You control it from your phone. Also, if you have like a Google Home or Alexa, I'm pretty sure you can control it through that too. Let's talk kitchen, and I'm pretty sure the product that inspired this video is my Wonder Oven by Our Place. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you definitely should, but you probably will notice that I post about this air fryer toaster oven way too much. Honestly, it's because one, it's cute, so when I'm cooking my food I want to take a little picture, but also this thing is amazing. I rarely use my full oven, especially because it's just me that I'm typically cooking for, but the air fryer function is outstanding. You don't have to flip your food while it's in there, and the toaster part of it cooks so fast. A couple organizational things that I didn't think of right off the bat, but I do really appreciate are my pop container storage. These things are great, especially if you live alone. I mean, I'm not eating my snacks super fast, but I like to have a variety. And I put like my rice cakes, my chips, anything that I open out of a bag, I put inside one of these containers so that way it stays good longer and no bugs get in there. Every time I have guests and they open the fridge, they're like, "Are you kidding me? This is so extra," but I love it so much. And that is my drink organization unit that I got from Amazon. This thing is just so cool. It makes your fridge look so aesthetically pleasing, even if I don't have a lot of drinks in there, but when I do, it looks that much better. It's the little things, guys. It's the little things that make me happy. Another thing that people love when they walk into my apartment and look at my fridge are my calendar magnets. There is so many different varieties on Amazon that you can find, but I love this one. It came with a few markers. I got the weekly planner and the monthly planner, and for the weekly planner I usually put like my meal prep and what I'm gonna cook for the week. It just helps me to actually cook and plan for the week. I love just like the view of being able to see what I have going on that week. If you're like me and you like coffee, I highly recommend investing in some type of nice coffee machine. Growing up, I always wanted an espresso machine, and I'm not kidding. I feel like when I was 6 years old, I'm like, I'm gonna put an espresso machine on my wedding registry. That's the stuff I would think about. I always wanted one, and my mom ended up buying me one, and I love it. It has saved me so much money. Instead of going out and getting like a nice exquisite cup of coffee, I could just make a nice latte or a cappuccino at home. I am a huge advocate about morning routines and making my cup of coffee, drinking my coffee while I watch a podcast. It just sets me up for success, and I love it. I will leave a link in the description of the espresso machine that I got and the grinder. Last kitchen item that I love and that has made such a difference in my life are my shelf stackers. These are awesome because you can fit so many more things in your cabinets. I have my mugs stacked on top of my glassware, and then I have plates stacked on top of other plates. Just makes it for more room, especially if you're dealing with like a small cabinet space. These things are great. Jumping into the next section, which kind of has to do with my closet. This is something I am still working on because I still have one bin left with clothes in it that I need to like organize somehow, but I do want to get some type of closet in unit storage thing that I can take with me if I move out of here someday. First thing that makes a huge difference in your closet organization is shoe racks. I can see all of my shoes because I have 3 different shoe racks laid out in my closet. I also love my pant hangers. I got these on Amazon. I posted a TikTok about it. These are awesome. They make your life so much easier when you're trying to find pants, and also hanging your pants like this, you can have room to put things underneath. And lastly, I had to mention my rolling laundry basket. I don't know what it is about this laundry basket, but before I even moved out, I'm pretty sure I ordered it. I fortunately have a laundry unit in my place, so all I have to do is like roll my laundry over into that area. But this thing, one, looks cute in your space. It's on wheels, so you don't have to lift anything. If you don't have a unit inside your place, it's great because you can just wheel it to wherever you have to go. That is it for my apartment essentials. I feel like these are very specific, and I'm sure I could go very broad and talk to you guys about a bunch of other things that I've purchased for my apartment. I'd love to just start here. If you guys want to see more apartment home style videos, definitely let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.